Here are some tips on shaving if you're prone to ingrown hairs and razor bumps. Razor bumps are associated with extremely curly hair. These hairs are prone to pushing back into the surface of the skin as they regrow after being cut. To help minimize the occurrence of ingrown hairs or razor bumps, follow these steps. First, hydrate to soften your facial hair. Dry hair is harder to cut and more likely to grow back into your skin. It is best to shave during or after a warm shower, or you can hold a hot, wet towel to your face for 1 to 2 minutes. Exfoliate using a face wash or scrub to help release trapped hairs. Use a high-quality shave gel, foam, or cream designed for sensitive skin. Lather and spread it all over to hydrate hairs and protect against irritation while you shave. Let it soak in before you start. Most importantly, use a razor designed for sensitive skin, like the Gillette SkinGuard, with technology that ensures the blades shave hair while guarding skin. Check your blades before you start shaving. Dull blades can cause tug and pull and lead to ingrown hairs or bumps. Shave with light, gentle strokes. Be careful not to restroke the same area too much, as this can cause irritation. Rinse the blades often and reapply shave gel as you go. Facial hair grows in many directions. Try to shave in the direction that feels most comfortable. Save the most sensitive parts of your face for last. When the shave gel has more time to soak in, the hairs become softer and easier to cut. Use the single blade precision trimmer on the back to create sharp lines around facial hair and shave hard to reach places like under your nose. Rinse your face with cool water and towel off. Rub in a hydrating aftershave to replenish moisture and soothe your skin. Try shaving regularly to prevent your hairs from getting long enough to re-enter the skin surface. Click here to learn more. Subscribe to the channel and tell us your tips on banishing razor bumps and ingrown hairs in the comments.